Welcome back to CAD Station. In this tutorial, we are going to convert this 2D sketch into 3D model that will look like this. And we are going to use the same software as we are using, that is SolidWorks 2022. So let's start from the new and the part. If you just go through the 2D sketch, then you can find this is the front view of this side. We will use these dimensions to make the first sketch, or you can say to start the sketch. So first of all, we have first circle of 20 mm dia and 25 mm radius. First, change the units to millimeters. Now next is front plane and the sketch. Circle, we have the first circle, the second circle, and we have two more circles that I am going to make here. Now go to the line and select for construction and make from the center to center and a vertical line, just a random. Now next is we are going to smart dimension. This is 25 at 20, so the diameter is 20. This is of radius 15, that's mean it's going to be of 30 mm. Or okay, its radius is 25, that mean dia should be 50. So this is going to be of 50 mm diameter. Now next is you can find angle between these two center of circles is 15 degree. So simple, select the both lines and mention as 15 and okay. Now next is dimension of these two circles. This is of 13 mm dia and the semicircle is of 15 mm radius. First one is 13 and this is 15 mm radius, that's mean it should be 30 mm diameter. Now next is line command and just make a line from here to the second circle, escape. Now you have to select first circle, press the control and the line and make the relation tangent. It's already been tangent, but you have to do it because if you just left it, then it should be tangent. Now here you can find the circle, press control and the line and make the relation tangent. Okay, escape. Now you can see these two circles are coincident, or you can say intersecting. So we have a smart dimension from the center to center, the distance, or you can say the length is. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this is going to be delete this relation. I am going to delete this relation. Or you can press the Control C. Okay, now you can first smart dimension. This line is of 55 mm and done. You can find it here in the sketch. This is 55 mm line. Now you can see this line is tangent. This symbol shows it's a tangent line. Now next is we are again going to line. From the circle make a line. It's not the horizontal but at some angle. Now vertical line. And now you have to make the semicircle so that if you just see your mouse, it's going to be straight line, but I want it here a semicircle. So I have to just take my cursor back and again like this. You can see it's going to be semicircle. And done. Now next is we are going to mention the dimensions as from center of circle, that's we need the origin to the end is 60 mm. So from line to the origin is 60 mm. This line is of 25 mm. Let me show you. Here is 25 mm. From here to here is 60 mm. And this is 12.5. This is also 12.5. But we have to mention the relation as select the line, press the control and this line. And this is collinear. Okay, done. Now one more thing, that is this height is 15 mm. So we have to mention the height from here to here is 15 mm. Okay, then now you can make the relation here, select these two and try to make the relation tangent and okay. Now next is take a point, put it here, smart dimension. From here to here the distance is, I guess it's 75 mm. Let me check. It's 70 mm. Okay, we have to make a 70 mm. This is 70 mm. And now select the point, press control and this point and make the relation vertical. Now next step is select the arc, 3-point arc we have selected. Now from this point here to here I want to make an arc and escape. Now select the line, select the arc and press control and this circle and it's going to be tangent this point and this one. Okay, we can trim this from here to here. Now it's nearly done. We have to trim some more arcs, that's here and this one and this also. Okay, one more is here. Now zoom to fit and this is done. We are going to move to features, extrude boss base, but how much we have to extrude you can find it here. Yeah, 18 6 plus 6, that should be 30. It's 18 plus 6 plus 6 and features we have this contour and we are going to use the mid plane that will help me in the next step. Okay, now next is again select the face, sketch circle from the center, find the center and make a circle. This is of you can find it here, radius 20, that's mean dia should be of 40. So okay, line, we have to make a line here. So you can see this line is coming from the midpoint, but I want the line from here. So I zoom it and I'm trying to, it's not working. I'm trying to make the line from this point. Okay, it's working now. Done. Now select the line and make the relation horizontal. That's important. Again line and from here to here make a line. Done. Now next is control 8 smart dimension. This circle is of diameter 40 and this line is at a distance of from origin 10 mm. and done. Now you can use trim in 3ds to trim this one, and features extrude cut up to 6 mm, and it's not going to be used mid plane, and done. Now you can see we have made this cut, but we have the seam on the opposite side. Here, this is the benefit of using the mid plane, as I don't need to make it again on the opposite side. I have the option to use the mirror. We have the plane, front plate, and features to mirror. I want to cut this one on the opposite side, and okay, it's done. Now next is top plane, sketch, center rectangle. Now you have to select the corner rectangles from one of the side. Just make it random. Escape. Find the midpoint. Press the control and the origin. Make the relation horizontal. Now it's time to mention the dimensions as, let me check. This is 15 by 40. We are going to cut this one 15 by 40. So this is going to be 15 and the length is going to be 40. Now done. Control 7 for isometric view. We are going to extrude cut, and we have the option through a board that will help us, and it's done. Now you can see the part is ready. We can change its appearance as again control 7 for isometric view, and this is done. This is a simple sketch conversion into 3D. You have seen how we convert the 2D sketch into 3D. Hope you will understand all the steps that we follow, and if you have any confusion or any problem while making this, you can ask me in comment section. If you are new to CAD Station, then subscribe to CAD Station and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you.